Hey guys, welcome to my Pokemon Leaf Green walkthrough. This is one of the first ones of my walkthrough. This is the first walkthrough I am making. As you guys know, I am new to YouTube, and this is Professor Oak. Okay, so I can go to land female. Okay. She's like, are you a boy or a girl? I'm a boy. Let's begin with your name. What is it? If you go onto my account, I should probably get it now. 1 second. Acid, yes it is Acid. On my personal info, it says my name's Acid. That's what I am using for all my walkthroughs. Oops. This guy's name is gonna be Ryan. Are you sure it's Ryan? Yes. Okay. Sounds like your adventure is about to unfold. Let's go. So, teleport to your house somehow. You can boot up the PC and withdraw a potion. Okay, so now you can come over here. And you can just come up here and what? That says Oak. He's like, you need your own Pokemon for protection. So yeah, he brings you to his lab. Then you walk up, talk to him. He's like, okay guys, you need Pokemon so you can defend yourselves. And he's like, here are 3 Pokemon. There are 3. He's like, you should choose one. Let me just say anything right now. Okay. Acid. I don't care what you have to say. Squirtle? Bulbasaur? Charmander? Pokemon? So, let's choose our Pokemon. I'm gonna have to go with, Charmander. Right here. Charmander, yes. And yes, I want Charmander. Do you want to give Charmander a nickname? Yes, I would love to. Blaze. Blaze. And your rival chooses Squirtle. some apparent reason. So let's go. Wait, why is he battling me? Crap! Okay, so your rival is over on the top. Send out is Squirtle, and I send out a Charmander. Yeah. Professor Oak's like teaching you how to battle right here. So, yeah. Black Ruby. Scratch and Growl are moves right now. Scratch, I scratched him. Scratch. Squirtle's hardly doing any damage to me right now. Okay, one more scratch should do it. Okay, so I kill him, and I get a 70 experience points, which I grow a level, which that's nice. Which I don't earn any moves though. So now, yeah, he lost. I get 80 bucks, and so yeah. Thanks for watching my Pokemon walkthrough. Next time we will be, I think, going in the Viridian Forest, so tune in next time. Bye.